chicken wings will make you slap someone, but please don't slap your mama. This is good. Yes, I couldn't resist. I've tried this one too. This is not good. Let's try this one. I don't like it. Let's make breakfast. Hello, easy peasy breakfast. Today is a classic. Just got my delivery from Walmart, so we are going to have bagels. I got some everything bagels by Thomas something, and I am cutting my deer, and I have in a little clear bowl my capers. I think that's how you call it, capers. Okay, the right pronunciation is capers. And I have my cheese, cream cheese. Okay, so you just assemble everything. You can add tomato. They didn't have any tomato, so I didn't have tomato. And I have my smoked salmon. You just add everything together and toast your bagels, and it's absolutely delicious. So I am serving my husband as usual. He's working upstairs, and that was our breakfast. Now I'm taking some time to do some self-care. I just did my nails. I love to do my nails at home, and I didn't tape that part because I was really focused just on polishing my nails. Was nothing fancy. Now I have my oil to just make everything shiny and bright and moisturize everything. And this is the final result. It's going to peel off in a minute, but it looks good for now. There's no complaint. I'm going to do something deeper later. Yeah, doing my skincare, nothing much. This is a product my niece, she's 8 years. She got me this product a few years ago. It's a killer. Oh my gosh, I was suffering. I don't know why I used this, but anyways, I just wanted to use that because my baby gave it to me. But don't do this. It's just, I just felt I was killing my skin, and that's why I am going to do the lotion bars, and next you guys gonna see that. I was screaming and suffering. Literally, it was painful. I can tell you that it was painful. I'm not. I don't know how to act. I mean, I can act, but I was not acting. It was painful, painful. So at the end, I just washed out my face, I didn't even care to tape for you guys because I was like, oh my gosh, get this stuff off my face. Yeah. I think that product just did a disservice to my face. So I feel like I needed some hydration, deep hydration to my face and my whole body. And I just happened to have this product that I ordered from Amazon a few days ago. So I decided to go ahead and just do the, how you call it, the lotion. Is it bar lotion or bar lotion bar? Which one comes first? Bar lotion bars? I think it's lotion bars. It's bar lotion or lotion bars. So I'm gonna put all the ingredients in a screen so that you guys know. You can Google on YouTube how to make those. It's very easy. I watched someone and yeah, I just decided to do this and it turns out pretty good. Very hydrating. If you ask me, it's better to just have it this way, you know, steaming nice and slow instead of putting in the microwave. It'd be faster if I put in the microwave, but it's just better to have it this way.
To think if I couldn't find hope, I should just let it all go. I used to think if I couldn't make dreams come true, I should just let them all go. When life seems impossible, look from a new angle, change just one little thing. When life feels intolerable, find your true source of love. Concentrate, focus on love. Center now, focus on love. Dedicate, focus on love. Focus now, focus on love. Oh, oh, focus on love. Oh, oh, reflect on love. Oh, oh, deep in the love. Oh, 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 be open to love. Oh, 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 take in the love. Oh, 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 give back the love. Oh, 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 when life seems impossible, look from a new angle, change just one little thing. When life feels intolerable, find your true source of love. Focus now, focus on love. When life seems impossible, look from a new angle, change just one little thing. When life feels intolerable, find your true source of love. Focus now, focus on love. Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet, but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh,
I gotta pause for a second. I'm just asking you one thing. If you want to slap someone eating this, please don't slap your mama.
but if there's nothing left to cry for, then I will just crack a smile. Oh.